guys so much for tuning in today to the iNatural Body channel. This is Sonia coming to you with a video. I was thinking, now that the thumbnail for the video is already made, that it should have been something revolving around inspiration. But in a way, it's about getting outside also. So it's spring over here. It's spring right now in southern United States. And there's inspiration all around us, especially with the flowers in bloom, especially with the herbs in bloom, the early herbs at least, the first of the herbs, the new ones. I like to call them the new ones because there's the later stages of herb life. But we have all of these different inspirations right around us. And for soap makers, artisan soap makers or creators, that inspiration is what leads to more creativity, along with, of course, your natural gift and talent, of course. But I wanted to come on to the channel and drop you guys some things that I find my inspiration and where I continue to receive inspiration from. I mentioned the herbals, I mentioned the flowers. Getting outside is key because you are bombarded with so much stimulus. There's so much going on. And for me, what I do is I walk with my phone, as does about most of us, right? And you'll see things that will be like, wow, that's curious. It will do something for you. And that, my friend, is inspirational. Whether it happens immediately or later, it's inspirational because your mind will reflect on it. In the mornings, I like to wake up and walk a little in my neighborhood, and from time to time, I may see something that will just grab my curiosity. I'll see something, whether it be something that's living, something that's not living. It will help me with my creativity, and I'm sharing with you right now. Here are my friends. Mr. Johnson, I forget the other two cats' names because Sage, my little one, she changes their names, but his name is Mr. Johnson. That I know because I made her stick to one name for him. And I'm not sure who this guy is anymore because we started off with Jackson, and this one, I'm not sure what her name is because Sage changes their names so often. Now this guy, he's across the street from my dad's house. I'm not sure who he is, but she's literally tagged these animals with names, and that is inspiring to me. We walked in the park recently and I saw this family of turtles, and immediately my eye is picking up on the tans, the earth tones, the tans, the light greens, the different shades of green, the lights and the darks, and the specks of light. My eyes picking up on all of these different colors. Now, as a creator, for me, those neutral tones, they pair well with a pop of color. So you could be as creative as, say, using these light colors like the tans and the earth tones, and look at this turquoise, this beautiful teal colored green, or this beautiful bold blue combined with those earth tones. It's all around us. The colors are all around us. When we want to appeal to a certain group of people, if it's kids that our products need to appeal to, then use those primary colors to your benefit. And here is an example of that. Look at the reds, look at the blues, look at the yellow, look at the orange. It's the colors that grab your attention immediately, and these pair well for children. So when you're inspired to make products that you want to cater to that younger population, pull on those particular colors. And as you can see, developers have done this always. They have always catered to those populations by using those bright colors. And here again, an example of a neutral palette surrounded by greens and tans. You can pull darker greens, lighter tan colors, dark colors. It works so well. So I thought I would drop that to you in the form of a video and share with you some examples to not only cover inspirational ideas, but also how to create your own palette when you're working in different populations. Hey, get outside. If not for inspiration, then definitely get outside for your health. This is Sonia saying thank you so much for watching today. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye.